Synonymous words for writing. People equals individuals. Masses, men and women. Children equals juveniles. The youth, the young, minors. Human equals human being. Mankind, humankind, human race. Bond equals tie, link, nexus. Outweigh equals outperform. Outstrip, replace. New equals fresh. Novel, unexampled. Percentage equals proportion. Ratio, share. Show equals elucidate. Depict, demonstrate. Improvement equals betterment. Amelioration, revitalization. To improve equals to ameliorate. To revitalize. To revamp. To develop. Ability equals potential. Capability. Climate change equals climatic shift. Climatic variation. Consider equals regard. Want to equals desire. To aspire. To be desirous of. Follow equals obey. Conform. Compulsory equals indispensable. Mandatory. Ineluctable. Inevitable. Achieve equals obtain. Gain. Eke out. Acquire. Important equals substantial. Vital. Pivotal. Hamper equals disrupt. Attract equals draw attention. Inescapable equals unavoidable. Not ignorable. Right equals privilege. Entitlement.